Back at it with the 4Runner today, fixing a power steering leak issue. Power steering line is leaking out pretty bad. Like topping this thing off, I'll have maybe like 10 minutes of just power steering before I lose it all again. Just all spills out from under the car. I'll be spraying cars with power steering fluid. Either way, power steering lines. Let's get to it. Don't break, come on. Don't tell me it just broke. Oh, it's gonna break. It's gonna break. Okay, that hurt. Yeah, so this is the old one. I'm gonna have to save that sensor right there. Either way, now I need to find this piece because this is damaged. So yeah, the hunt for that begins. We'll see what happens.
Tomorrow.
It's the next day. Finally got it. Now I can finish this. Yeah, so I cracked the fitting. Yeah, I f***ed up the rack and pinion. Exactly where the fittings go. Just pulled itself apart. So, we have a new one. And I'm gonna need tie rods. I don't know if those are salvageable. We're gonna find out. So yeah, it's out. This is the new one. Taking a look at it, everything seems to line up, everything seems to match. For the most part, at least. So now the only thing you gotta really do is deal with this. Taking these out, taking that out, putting it onto here. Stuff like that. So yeah. I mean, these don't look that old. The tie rods. That might be a little bit tough to get out, but we'll get to that. Did they strip this thing? They stripped this? So, little thing here. This is the passenger side. The right side. This is the old one, right? This is the new one. Can you tell the difference? Besides not providing a nut to lock that, someone put a left side tie rod onto the right side. On top of that, whoever installed it on the old rack and pinion messed up the threads. Interesting. See how straight that is? Oh. Look how off that is. Right? And look how off that is. That explains why the car would always pull wherever. Either way, got a piece of string. And we're gonna just do a DIY wheel alignment until I can actually go to an actual shop to actually get a wheel alignment done the professional way. Let's do it. I almost forgot to tighten this. That is very important. So yes, tighten that. All right, power steering again. Pretty good. Not bad. Let's see the wheel alignment. Okay, the wheel alignment's still off. Still off. Well, looking how it is, the way the position was previously is the same exact way that it is now. So there's a bit more issues, I think. Whoever did some work to this previously did not do it correctly, because look at it, this is straight, not making a turn. At least the power steering's working again. Hopefully you didn't leak anything out. Okay, someone's driving really like an asshole. It's a one lane, what the f are you doing? The speed limit here is 25 and we are doing 15. Trying to find some straight road. Alright, I know the steering wheel is crooked just like how it was before. We'll see what happens. Okay, now the road is turning. Come on. We got straight away. Now it's turning. It's just turning. Let's try it again. It's pretty straight, actually. Not gonna lie. I think that'll be it for this video. The power steering works great. I'll see you guys next time. I'll get this fixed eventually, but yeah, later.
It's paradise. Won't you take my advice? Nothing's half as nice as Memphis in June.